All right, bobcat for beginners. Green light. Give it the power. Put the code in. Check mark. We good to go. Don't worry about the codes. Green button. Whoop. Starts it. Make sure you got your seatbelt on. Green button here. Initiates. You got power. Left controller. Let your track forward. Let your track back. You want to go left? Tilt the left. Want to go right? Tilt the right. Right controller. Boom up. Boom down. Tilt your bucket. Tilt it to the right, away from you. Tilt your bucket up to the right. That's the tutorial for today. Have a good one, boys.